Hey yo, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy, The Flash. I'm the one part of the Just Us League right here. So, my last video I made, I showed you all the parts that I have and I'm putting into my PC build. This video here, um, is going to be a quick video. It's not going to be a tutorial. It's going to be a quick video of me putting it together. This whole chassis I already took the parts, some parts off of it and stuff like that. Because if you guys, I'm not gonna do a tutorial or gonna show you everything. I'm just gonna put everything in, and you guys gonna see it at the end and see how it looks and all that. And let's hope that it runs great. All right. So on that note, I gotta start working. Oh, here's my handy dandy screwdriver. So I'm back. You see me with the hoodie. You know what that means? That means that I'm done. I'm done. It's done. Everything's hooked up all together. I'm gonna get you guys a pretty view of it with this camera right here. I'm gonna do my best. But it did a little work. I got a little tricked a little some things, but we got it together.
Yeah.
So we got Jody Joe right over there, man.
What's good?
He's right over there, man. He's right over there.
What's good, man? How y'all doing, man? Flash built the bees, guys, man. I'm proud of him, man. I can't wait to see what he can do. There it is. Mind the trash. His camera skills aren't that great. Oh. See the little glove on there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Indeed.
It's pushing nothing right now, you guys, but it's on. So this PC right here is going to help out the Justice League.
Yeah.
It's going to do a little bit of bunch of stuff, you know. So I'm glad that I got this shit together. If I push it, got it together.
But he doesn't do, by the way. He doesn't do the push-ups, guys.
Hey man, don't be snitching.
Hey man, it's tight having a studio just, sometimes occupied by random league members. Feels like the watchtower is what it is.
Yeah. So we got the graphics card is really going. That's the thing right there. That's really going to help us.
Also, what will help us is the support that you guys have been showing us, man. To even allow these lights to be on, the gas, food, rent, electricity,
All
the
that.
studio, cameras, lights, equipment,
Even the
cords.
switches, man. You guys helped us a lot with a lot of stuff, man, and we really appreciate it.
We really do.
So how
I think, hey, just for it coming from a whole bunch of boxes to that.
Yeah.
That's a heck of an achievement, man. Proud of you, bro. I hope it works. And that's gonna be a beast. That's better than my PC.
I need to install my Windows. That's what he means.
Flash got the strongest PC, man, out the league now, man. He jumped over everybody, man. If he wanted to try to make it seem like nah.
I told J3, man, just buy the parts and I'll put it together for you.
Yeah, I'm about to upgrade, man, because, you know, it's a new processor you showed me. It looks nice. It looks nice. It's all for y'all, man. I don't give a freak about a processor, but I care about productivity. Being able to render a 40-minute video in 20 minutes is awesome.
Probably gonna be less than that, bro.
You know? So, you know, I'm always thinking about ways to make stuff better, you know.
And that means once we get that rendering time, you know how many videos we can put out? We can do a lot.
Yeah. And soon, we'll have an editor, a dedicated editor that we can hire. And just send files to all the time. Edit this.
Yeah. That's gonna be real dope. Can't wait to get there, man.
Yeah, man. We're on our way, man. Jody's Corner podcast, in case you guys don't know, is available on iTunes and Spotify. Jody'sCorner.com is live. Content coming to the website soon. Sign up for an account for live chat. Also, come meet the Just Us League is June 21st, Friday. Our first ever meetup, y'all. Come and meet the entire Just Us League at Brewers Pub and Brewery. I appreciate them for helping the Just Us League out.
That's really dope.
Branching out.
Yeah, that's nice.
There's gonna be games, food, beer. You gotta pay for the beer. You gotta food.
Yeah.
The games will be free because we're gonna set them up. We're gonna have this couch there on location, and we're gonna live stream from there.
You guys' favorite couch, not this part.
It's in Gardena. It's in Gardena, California, LA area. If you guys want more information, feel free to message or DM any Just Us League member on their social medias, or you can email me directly at emailjodyscorner@gmail.com.
Hey, you guys don't have my Twitter out there yet. My Twitter is just basically my name, A Piloto 5. That's APILOTO 5. Hit me up with a follow, whatever. I'm always talking about something.
Tight. See, you got avenues. Everybody has their own little thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm doing business stuff, from, you know, trying to grow and do extra stuff. Flash is a tech guy. He's
Whatever
into the computer.
whatever he needs,
He's into
tells me.
helping background, backstage stuff, production stuff, Bobo, managerial, promotions, production stuff. Sal Award, go-getter, connections, people that he knows, ties like that. You know, J3 has his channel. He does a lot of stuff behind the camera. He helps with, lifting heavy things and cleaning, and he helps us with, tight errands overall. Just he cleans up. You know, he helps us out.
He's the MVP, man.
Yeah, he does a lot of good stuff for us. Savage doesn't do nothing, but
All he does is sit right here.
yeah, he brings stuff every now and then. He buys food every now and then. So shout out to Savage. HC3 doesn't do nothing. He brings jokes and comedy when he comes sit on the couch.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it for the people who do things.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
That's funny. But yeah, y'all. So this is actually part 2 of the first video that's going to be. This is the first video that got recorded and going to be on the channel, right? Other than the live, right?
I have the other one. Whoa, combine it with that one?
Yeah.
The one from last night?
Yeah.
Yeah. First video.
So yeah. So this is we gonna really get the crew to start making videos and boost up this channel right here for you guys too. We want to give you guys the content on what you guys want.
This is the League's channel, by the way, guys. This is the Just Us League's channel. So, all of us, we all have a part to claim to this.
Yep. That's how it is. You can either give us something. Let us know if you want to review an anime, a movie. Just hit us up. Let us know. And we will do our best to get it out on time or whatever. You know, guys. We always thinking about y'all.
Love you guys so much.
Peace out.
Deuces.